folks, it's Glenn the Ball Shop, and you know, I've been watching a lot of these people use these air fryers. I've seen some amazing results. I watched a video today by a guy named Grillin and Smokin by AB, and he did a pork chop. It just looked fabulous. I'll leave a link to the description on his channel. And you know, I've seen Lyle hit barbecuing using these air fryers, to name just a few, but I wanted to kind of replicate this fried pork chop recipe that this guy put together, this AB guy with his channel. So darn good, I wanted to try it myself. Change it up a little bit with my own style, but let's put this thing together and see if I can make an air fryer work. Here we go. Okay, we've got 2 pork chops that we're going to season up with a little bit of black pepper. And into this, we're going to add some just regular salt. Flip them over. And we're going to season the other side. Use the same pepper. And then hit it with some salt. And a little bit of adobo. I like this seasoning. A little garlic, a little flavor. Gives it a nice little taste. Then we're going to put some Dijon mustard on this and give it a certain je ne sais quoi. A very good friend of mine that's German always says put a little bit of brown mustard on your chop and it'll make your dreams come true. So I'm going to do just that. So get that evenly displaced over the pork chops. We're going to take and season our flour. A little bit of the adobo, a little black pepper, and a little bit of salt. We'll stir this around to get the spices evenly displaced with the flour. It's regular flour. And then we've got some half and half. I'm going to put my pork chop into the half and half. Put it into my seasoned flour. Take this knife and make sure it's evenly distributed. So we get the full effect. Everything fried off nicely in this air fryer, hopefully. So get that done on this first chop. We're going to do the exact same thing with the second chop. Back in the flour these bad boys up, and we're getting ready to place these into our air fryer. Man, this air fryer is just an amazing machine, and AB did a great job on his pork chop recipe. Hopefully I'm going to have the same kind of results. Now, here's the air fryer. I'm going to open this thing up. Pretty simple. Take my chops, put them inside of the little frying pan here. Darn it, I wish I'd used the pan. Man, I think it would have made all the difference in the world. But it's a learning process here. Slam that thing in there, crank this thing up for 15 minutes, 400 degrees, and just let it go. And oh my God, what do we got here? Some beautiful looking golden brown, hopefully tender pork chops. Slice one of these little pieces off, and we'll take it to the tasting section and see exactly what we've come up with here. I hope it comes out great. All right, here was the first run on our air fried pork chop recipe. As you can see, the pork chop looks golden brown, very nicely fried. And I don't know if they look quite as good as AB's because he used that extra shot of some Pam, spray on oil, which I didn't use in my recipe. So I think that next time if I was to attempt that, I would definitely use that. But I don't know how this is going to taste. So this is my first whack at this. Quick, very quick. I got it set at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. And I flipped off a beautifully fried pork chop. Fit for a king. Thanks for watching, folks. I appreciate you stopping by. Got some more stuff on the horizon. Probably be using this air fryer again. Sub up, and we'll see you next time. And as always, bon appetit.